The sutras say those who are lazy and lack diligence may live for 100 years, but it would be just as well to live for a few days, having constant diligence. And the precious treasury of essential instruction says, don't give away this human body with its freedoms and endowments to the enemy of food and clothing. Don't give away this altruistic mind of bodhicitta to the enemy of lesser vehicles. Don't give away the jewel-like nature of mind to the enemy of delusion. Don't give away the too wish-fulfilling accumulations to the enemy of this present life. Don't give away the practice of compassion to the enemy of laziness. And don't give away the mind of fervent devotion to the enemy of wrong views. This is exactly how you should practice.